Buying goods from China has never been easier. You can now shop from the comfort of your home through online platforms like 1688 and Pinduoduo, accessing affordable luxury and everything in between products. There is no need to break the bank traveling to China to start your small business. I love how China manufacturers have democratized access to quality products. Take my bone straight hair for instance, sourced from China. Content creation tools like this one is also made in China at super affordable prices. Big brands import from China and rebrand. You can too. China's competitive pricing and advanced manufacturing capabilities make it an attractive option for businesses looking to cut costs without compromising on quality. With 5 to 6 years of experience in China importation under my belt, I've learned the ropes and I'm excited to share my expertise with you. That's why I created this course, Become a China Importer, a step-by-step guide. A digital course designed to walk you through finding reliable suppliers, shipping, and custom clearance. My goal is to equip you with the knowledge and tools needed to succeed in this business. Whether you are just starting out or scaling up in Nigeria, Ghana, Europe, UK, USA, this digital course is a game changer. It is a master course to guide you to succeeding. So let's get started on this journey together. Thanks for joining me. I am Ochezz Emmanuel Orifa, and I'm excited and looking forward to helping you crush your business goals.